Let's add these fractions. As you can see, we have common denominator. If we have common denominator, we can add the fractions. Denominator is 9. Remember, denominator always stays the same. Okay, we do not add denominators, we just copy this down. We can add numerators. I have 8 plus 1, which is equal 9. Remember, fraction bar represents division. Okay, so other words, this is nothing else, just 9 divided by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So this is the answer for this problem. Let's take a look at the other one, the next one. I have common denominator. Remember, denominator has to be always copied down. If I have common denominator, I can add the numerators. 5 plus 4 is 9. I cannot reduce anything because there is no common factor for 9 and 11. That's why this is my solution.